Welcome back to Zapit. Ready to manage your Bitcoin Cash with ease? This tutorial will guide you through creating a new Zapit wallet and importing an existing one, step by step. First, let's start with creating a new wallet. To create a new wallet, download the Zapit app on your device. Once it is downloaded, open the app and then tap on the Create a New Wallet button. Now you'll see a unique 12-word backup seed phrase, which you need to store somewhere to keep your funds secure. There are 4 ways to secure your seed phrase. Note it down on a paper, take a screenshot and store it safely. Copy and paste it into a secure notepad or document. Click Export to save it as a text file or password-protected file. Now, create a username for your wallet and click Next to continue. Optionally, you can add your phone number and email ID for verification, or skip this step. If you choose to provide these details, you'll receive one-time passwords via SMS and email for verification. Enter the OTPs if you provided your contact details. Your Bitcoin Cash wallet is now ready. And that's it for creating a new wallet on Zapit. And in case you are an existing user of Zapit and you were inactive for a while on the app, you can reinstall the app anytime and restore your existing wallet. Open the app and tap on the Import an Existing Wallet button. Here you'll be asked to enter your unique seed phrase. Now you can enter the 12-word seed phrase by typing it manually, or just clicking on the Backup File tab to upload the file from the local storage of your device or the Zapit cloud. In this tutorial, we will upload the backup file from the local storage. Once you select the file, your seed phrase will be automatically filled in the 12 empty boxes. Now click Continue and wait for the wallet to import. Congratulations! Your wallet is now restored and ready to use. And that's it for importing an existing wallet on Zapit. For more such information by Zapit, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles linked below in the description.